Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at the delete method. So I've made delete a method inside the class now. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see another program. So today we're going to be looking at the delete method. So basically I've just added another method for deleting so down here, yeah. So it's basically the same thing that we did, that I've already made, but I just made it into a method. And then this is basically a debugger. So basically, then down here I have 5 delete rating, and then I've done O is equal to 5 in this. So when I run this, then please enter which option you'd like to do. So first of all, over here I don't have anything to delete right now because I've not added anything. So first thing I should just add it. So to rate movie by name. Then please enter the name of the movie. I'm just going to do something like Iron Man. Then here, now I'm just going to refresh the page. So then here I have Iron Man now. And then now when I rerun it, then number 5 delete rating, so I'm going to do 5. Then please enter the name of the movie. Since there's only one movie right now, I'm just going to do this. So basically enter deleting and then entered movie details by name. So first it went into number 5 delete rating, and then it went into number 3 get movie ID based on name. So I'll talk about that in a second. Now when I run this, then it says the item or record was deleted successfully. So now when I rerun this page or reload it, then it says you haven't rated any movies. So basically the first thing is that enter deleting. So here, after I do 5, then it goes over here, which means that it goes into the method delete movie rating. Then enter deleting, and then it has d is equal to tmdb client.get movie details based on name. The reason I've done this is because d in the end contains the movie ID, and I need the movie ID in order to delete. So here I have D, and then D is up here. So get movie ID based on name. So here enter movie details by name. So then it goes over here. Then please enter the name of the movie. So then I write in the name of the movie. Then it gives me the movie details based on the name. And then after that I'm doing the parsing, because over here in all of this stuff, so from in this line, all of this, it has the ID somewhere in there. So then I do the parsing for the ID. So then first I have results, then 0 for the square bracket over here, and ID, which is around here, yeah, here. So then I need to get this specific ID, so I parse it out. And then 200, I just put in the success code. And then here I have movie ID is this. Then after that, I'm returning D, so that D is equal to 1726. And after that, once I return D, then over here, then it goes and puts it into my URL because I made it into a variable. And then after that, it manages to delete. So the reason I need to do the return and then the D thing is so that eventually I have the movie ID. Otherwise, I cannot keep changing it every time. So if I take, for example, another movie this time, so if I just rate it again, because right now I have nothing over here. Then if I, for example, this time enter, for example, Frozen again, just to keep it simple, just random Disney movies or something. Then here, 201, so now it's rated. So then here I have Frozen. And now, even though I can delete it over here, so I can just press remove and then it'll just go away. But then, so here, if I enter Frozen again, then, so Frozen. And now if I want to delete it, so number 5. So then the only reason it basically goes into this is so that it can get the movie ID. And once it gets the movie ID, it puts it into the URL, and then it just deletes it.